Hey, welcome in to check out the Rileys. I got something to show you today. Something that's as old as I am. Let's check it out. Well, here it is. It's a 1971 Chevy Custom 10 or C10 is what they call them often. Kind of check it out here. We're here in Koronadal, and I've seen this truck driving around and stuff, but I'd never seen the owners until today. So I got their permission so we can vlog it, so we can show everybody this piece of American history slash Philippines history, because she said it's the only one here in this area that they know of. So just want to check it out. As you see, it is a 5-speed. I'm going to show the dash and stuff. So it's a fast 5-speed on the floor. It's got the original AM/FM 8-track player in there. So 1971. So what a beautiful year, right? So this was August of 71, and I'm close to that. As you see, they're planning on redoing it and getting it all up to par. But they're using it right now. As you see, the haul stuff. We're at the hardware store, so check it out. Just go around and show the guys stuff. As you see, it's still a work truck. They're using it to work. So loading it up, getting it ready to haul the tiling. So yes, it's very rare to have here in the Philippines one of these. It's not common to see them around surviving still. And it was so quiet when it pulled up, I didn't even know it was behind us. Except for I have an eye for this type of thing, so I seen it. Seen it coming. Thank you guys for checking it out today with us. We just enjoy seeing it around town. Wanted to share it with you, and we thank the folks that have the truck there, and they are gonna plan on restoring it. So can't wait to see it later on when it's even fixed up more. Till next time, everybody, don't forget to give us that thumbs up, leave a comment. Till next time.